In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to create custom header files. Alright, so I will teach you how to create custom header files because by default, both these header files are right here. Okay? And in the previous lecture, I told you I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom header files. So for you to do that, you can go over here and create a new project and go over here and hit on empty file. So do you want to add this file to the active project? Has to be saved first? Yes. So I want to add this there and it's going to come up and this is under this project and I'm going to call that to be, let's call that to be header 1. It's got out to be header 1. And once you do that, you put dot hash. So, adding dot hash is telling the computer that this is a header file. Okay? If you put C, it means that it is a C file. And, it's that header 1 dot hash, indicating that this is a header file. And now go ahead and hit on save. And, go ahead and hit on OK. And then look down here under workspace, you can see that a new folder is created for us. And if you hit on this more plus icon here, you can see header 1 dot hash. So it's going to arrange all your header files. If this is in a case whereby you are creating so many projects or a robust project, maybe you are trying to build something that is so massive, you can create different header files. But now let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Now in the previous lecture, I was able to tell you that to use what is called define to create your own custom header files. Let's say I want to create, I'll say #define. And I'm going to add a string variable. I'm going to add a float and an integer variables right here. And the very first one is define. Let me call that define name. And then this is going to be a string. I'm going to say this is my new, or this is my custom header file. So this is my custom header file. And by default, you don't need to add semicolon at the end of your header files of your define. Okay, go ahead and create another one. And I'm going to, this is going to be, I'm going to call that to be students. And, let's say the number of students is 20. So number of students is 20. And, I think that is okay. I will leave this for now. Let's go over here and print them out. So for you to print this out, you need to add this header file you've just created right inside here. And for you to do that, you have to include this. So include. And now, because it's a header file, you don't need this. What this means, this less than or equal to this brackets is, it's going to slash the header files right inside this program. Okay, but if you want to slash this one outside there, you're going to use just double quotation mark. So I'm going to add double quotation mark and I'm going to name the header to be header 1 dot hash. You see that? Now I can be able to print whatever it is right there. Okay. I'm going to say print F. And I'm going to say print F. I'm going to call name, copy this name, and each time I call name is going to display this is my custom header file. Okay, so let's go here and say hello, percentage S. Alright, put this to be the next line. Alright, press semicolon and press this name right here. So press semicolon at the end of this. And let's go ahead and run this code and check that out. So hello, this is my custom header file. You see that? It's called the string variable in order one. You see that? Hello, this is my custom header file, and our works are fine. So in this way, you can create your own custom header file. Let's go here and go more, and I'm going to call this to be int school. Int school, and int school is equal to school is equal to students. Remember, see that? Students is it to automatically pick whatever that is in the header file, header one that you just created. It's a students plus 30. So if I call this, it's going to give me 50. Let's go ahead and copy this. Copy this, and let's go ahead and press, and I'm going to say total number of students is total number of students is. So this is going to be percentage %d right now, and I'm going to change this to school. School. So if somebody calls school, is going to add students plus 30, and it will be displayed for us. Let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So the first one is, hello, this is my custom header file, and next one said no, total number of students is 50, and that is not 20 or 30. You can see that? So I believe that if you say how to create your own header files, and then here you can create anything you want right inside here and code that in here. Okay, this is your main.c. So go ahead and practice with this, and if you have any question, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.